What's the meaning of contorted? Contorted. Contorted.
Contorted. Contorted. The term contorted refers to something that is twisted or deformed in an unnatural or abnormal way. When something is contorted, it is often difficult or impossible to recognize its original shape or form. The result of contortion can be unsettling or even grotesque, as the object or body part in question may appear to be distorted beyond recognition. The contortion of the human body is often a popular feature in circus performances, where performers are able to contort their bodies into seemingly impossible positions. Overall, contorted implies a degree of distortion or deformation that deviates significantly from the norm.